Hello students, good afternoon. I am going to explain the formation of complex compound on demand of my students. So let us see what is the complex compound, and that is formation of complex compound by what student? By D block element. So that also you can write by D block element. Up two things are there. Okay, so when you are going to compound, student, if you talk about the compounds are, it can be simple and complex. Okay, that is simple you can say simple also. It can be classified into two categories. One is simple and second one is complex compound. Dear student, how to understand that is simple and complex compound? When you are going to talk simple, so on dissociation, okay, when they dissolve in water or the simple dissociation on heat, on dissociation, on dissociation, it gives, what it gives student? It gives simple ion. What it will give? It will give simple ions. For example, if you talk about, suppose you are taking that is K2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7. So if you ionize this one, so what it will give? It will give that is 2K plus Cr2O7 2 minus. Okay. Similarly, if you are talking about KMNO4, so what it will give? It will give that is K plus MNO4 minus. These things are what student? They are the simple salt. Okay, they are the simple ion. Cation and anion are simple. But what are the complex? When you are going, next chapter is also their coordination compound, where you will study in the detail complex compound. So when you are talking about complex, so what it will give? On dissociation. On dissociation, what it does do, student? On dissociation, it gives one complex ion. What it will give? One complex ion, and that complex ion is what? Either anion or cation. Now the dissociation, it gives one complex ion, either, okay, either cation will be the complex or that is anion will be complex. That we have to understand. How you will be able to know that is which one is the complex? When on dissociation you will know. And complex ion is represented in the square bracket. For example, student, you take one example. Okay, you can take n number of example. I am taking one. Suppose I am having K4 and FeCN6. This example, K4 FeCN6. This is there. If you ionize this, student, what it will give? It will give 4K plus. This is sample ion, and one more it will give what, student? It will give what? FeCN6, and this FeCN6 will be in the square bracket, and this will be 4 minus. Okay, so when you talk about this, student, square bracket, complex in square bracket, that is known as complex, and here is negative charge is there, student. So this will become anion, and this is the cation. Again you try to understand what is the complex compound. Complex compound is what? On dissociation, it gives the one complex ion, either cation or anion. So one example we have seen. Similarly, student, that is if you talk about, so why D block element? Why D block element form the complex compound? That we have to understand. Okay. There are the 4 regions are there. Basically 3 region is there, that is the applicable for the why they form the complex compound. Okay, and there is the some condition are also there. So region, when you are going, okay, when you want to know, that is region for what, student? Region for complex formation, complex compound formation, complex compound formation. This is the region. Student, let us try to understand what can be the region. First region is the small size of transition metal. Transition metal are having the, okay, small size transition metal. This all the metals is having the small size. And second one is, student, transition metal have transition metal have high nuclear charge. What is, student? High nuclear charge. High nuclear charge, student, that is how to know. If you have studied the previous year the periodic properties, so you can understand that is d orbital have no shielding effect. Okay, because of diffuse shape of the d orbital, the attraction by the nucleus is very high. Okay, so that is nuclear charge will be also very high. And third one, the most important one, transition metal have. What transition metal have? Transition metal have vacant d orbital. Vacant d orbital for complex formation. For complex formation. Complex formation. Of dear student, here is also, you see one any our example, you see, student, suppose I am taking the Fe. I am taking, let us check with the Fe. So if you talk about the Fe, student, or any other compound, so what is the transition metal is there? Transition. Okay, a transition metal is having vacant d orbital. Transition metal, what they are having? Vacant d orbital. So like this we are having the vacant d orbital. Here is 1 2 3 4. This is the vacant d orbital. Of these vacant d orbital can acquire the lone pair electron by the ligand. Of suppose Cn is the negative, all are Cn negative. Here is Cn negative, Cn negative, Cn negative. They are the known as what, student? Negatively charged species that can donate the lone pair electron. They are known as what? The ligand. They will donate the lone pair electron like this. In the vacant orbital they are donating. And if donating the lone pair electron like this, so what will happen, student? If any species is donating the lone pair electron, so coordinate bond will form. Okay, like this they will donate. Let us see with the help of structure you try to understand this. When the same things you talk about, one example I am taking, student, here I am taking, that is the same example, K4 and FeCN6. K4 FeCN6, this example I am taking as to explain the coordination compound. Okay, so let us try to understand this compound. First of all, to understand that, you calculate the oxidation number. Suppose oxidation number is X. Here we are considering the oxidation number of iron is how much, student? That is X. So how many sodium is there? Plus 1 multiplied by 4 sodium, so 4. And here is 6 in bracket minus 1, cyanide equal to 0. So plus 4 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. So X is equal to 6 minus 4. So X is equal to plus 4. Student, you know that is iron, what is the atomic number is 26 and configuration is 3d6 and 4s2. In case of this 4s2, what will happen, student? So this will, if you talk about Fe2 plus, student, so what is 3d6? 3d6, student, how many electron are there? So you see 6 electron, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I paired this because Cn is a strong ligand, and we will study in the next chapter. So what is vacant orbital? This is the d orbital is vacant. After 3p, what is there, student? This is the 3d. Then 4s is also there and 4p also there. So here I am making 4s and also I am making this one. Dear student, you try to understand this. How many Cn are there? 6. So here is Cn will be there. Similarly, downside what I explained. This is also Cn, Cn and Cn. So how many are there, student? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one more Cn6. They all will donate here. Okay. And if they are donating, so hybridization also we will study, student. That is in next chapter. This will all detail will come in the next chapter in the more profound way. There you will be able to understand in the properly. So here it is the C, student. What hybridization? 2d orbital. So that is d square, d2. And 1s and p how many? d2sp3. d2sp3, you know that is according to BSEPR theory, the shape is octahedral. Since they are donating the lone pair electron, 2 electron, and 2 electron if anything is donating, so what kind of bond will form, student? Coordinate bond. You see this is Fe2 plus is there. What they are saying, this metal, how many Cn ion is donating? So Cn is there. Okay, here is also Cn. You put the Cn, student. How many? 6 Cn I am putting Cn, and here is also Cn. So this will donate like that. This is also donating because vacant d orbital is there. This is also donating, this is also donating, and this is also donating. And then the shape, when it will come out, student, the shape will come out. So what shape will be there, student? This will be the shape, will be the, student, this shape is what? Octahedral shape. This shape is, student, this is known as what, student? Octahedral. The shape is octahedral. So here you can write octahedral shape. Octahedral shape. This is the figure, octahedral shape. So like that you can understand for n number of compound, student, the formation of complex compound by d orbital because of three reason is there. The reason is, first one is small size of the transition metal, second is the high nuclear charge, and third one is the vacant of d orbital. What are complex compound? When the complex compound are those compound which on dissociation, what they do, student, they will give one complex ion, either cation or anion. So this is all about the complex compound. Okay, student.